Hello everyone, myself Purva Joshi. Today we are going to discuss a topic named trigonometric functions. So let's start with the trigonometric functions of sum and differences of two angles. So the first formula is cos alpha minus beta, that is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Give it equation number 1. Okay. Now we will write the formula of cos alpha plus beta using this formula. Okay. So we can write this alpha plus beta as alpha minus beta. Okay. So apply the above formula. Okay. So you will get cos alpha cos minus beta plus sin alpha sin minus beta. Now we know that cos is an even function, so cos of minus theta will give you cos theta, and sine minus theta will give you minus sine theta, because sine is a odd function. Okay, so in place of cos minus beta you will get cos beta, and in place of sine minus beta will get minus sine beta. So instead of this plus sign, now we have minus sign. Okay, so minus sine alpha sine beta. So finally the formula of cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Now we'll derive the formula of sin alpha minus beta. So this can be written as cos pi by 2 minus alpha minus beta. We know that cos pi by 2 minus theta is what? Sin theta. Okay. Also we know that sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Okay. So here our theta is alpha minus beta. Okay, so this is written in this form. So we have cos pi by 2 minus alpha minus beta. We'll rearrange this term. So we will write this pi by 2 minus alpha together and minus minus plus beta here. Okay, now apply the formula of cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so you will get cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. But here this whole alpha is pi by 2 minus alpha. Okay, now we know that cos pi by 2 minus theta will give you sin theta, and sin pi by 2 minus theta will give you cos theta. So here it will come sin alpha, okay, and here it will come cos alpha. So the formula of sin alpha minus beta will become sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, now we'll find the formula of sin alpha plus beta. So we will write as sin alpha minus beta. Okay, now we'll apply this sin alpha minus beta formula. Okay, and we will use the rule cos of minus theta is cos theta and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So you will get the formula of sin alpha plus beta as sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, now we'll derive the formula for tan alpha plus beta. Okay, we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so it can be written as sin alpha plus beta upon cos alpha plus beta. Now we know the formula of sin alpha plus beta and cos alpha plus beta. Substitute over here. Now divide this by cos alpha cos beta. Okay, so if you will divide it by cos alpha cos beta, here we have sin alpha upon cos alpha, that will give you tan alpha. So the formula for tan alpha plus beta will become tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now we'll find the formula for cot alpha plus beta. So cot is cos upon sine. So we have cos alpha plus beta upon sine alpha plus beta. Write down the formula of cos alpha plus beta and sine alpha plus beta, and then divide this term by sine alpha sine beta. Okay, so on simplification we get cot alpha plus beta as cot alpha cot beta minus 1 upon cot beta plus cot alpha. Okay, similarly we can derive the formula for tan alpha minus beta. Okay, so you will get the formula as tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, what we need to do is, in place of tan alpha minus beta, just write down sin alpha minus beta upon cos alpha minus beta. Okay, substitute this both formulas, simplify. Okay, so you will get this answer. Also we can find the formula of cot alpha minus beta. Okay, so you will get cot alpha cot beta plus 1 upon cot beta minus cot alpha. Okay, So you can derive this formula by yourself. Now let's study some important formula. So we know the formula for sine alpha minus beta, that is sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta, and sine alpha plus beta is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Okay. Now we will add these two equation. Okay. So you will get sine alpha minus beta plus sine alpha plus beta as 2 sine alpha cos beta. These two term will get cancelled. Okay. So plus 0. Now in place of alpha minus beta, we'll write down A, and in place of alpha plus beta, we will write down B. Okay. So just simplify this. Alpha minus beta is A and alpha plus beta is B. Okay. These two gets cancelled. So 2 alpha is A plus B. Okay. So the answer of alpha is A plus B by 2. Substitute alpha in any of these two. Okay. So you will get the answer of beta as B minus A upon 2. Okay, so now we are converting everything from alpha beta to A and B. So you will get sine A plus sine B as 2 sine A plus B by 2 cos B minus A by 2. Now we know that cos is an even function. Okay, so we can rearrange this cos B minus A by 2 as cos. We can take out the negative common, so this will become A minus B by 2. But cos is an even function, so you will get cos A minus B by 2 as the answer. Okay, so in place of this we'll write cos A minus B upon 2. So final answer is sine A plus sine B is 2 sine A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Similarly, we can find sine A minus sine B as 2 cos A plus B by 2 sine A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B as 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, and cos A minus cos B as minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Now this formula we will remember in the short form as S plus S means 2SC. Okay, we are writing just first term, then S minus S will give you 2CS, C plus C 2CC, and at last C minus 2SS. Okay, so we will remember the formula in this format. Now let's derive few more formula. So sine 2x. Now 2x we can write as x plus x. Okay, and now we'll apply the formula of sine alpha plus beta, that is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Here alpha and beta both are x. Okay, so substitute x, so you will get sine x into cos x plus cos x into sine x, that is 2 sine x cos x. Okay, so the formula for sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. Next, cos 2x. Okay, again we'll write 2x as x plus x, and we'll apply the formula of cos alpha plus beta. This is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, again in place of alpha and beta just write down x. Okay, so you will get this, and simplification we get the formula of cos 2x as cos square x minus sin square x. Now using this formula we are going to derive the formula for cos square x and sin square x. Okay, now in place of sin square x just write down 1 minus cos square x. Okay, open the bracket and make cos square x as a subject, so you will get the formula for cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Now remember, here we have x and here we have 2x. Okay, now similarly in place of cos square x, if you will write down 1 minus sin square x, and on simplification make sin square x as a subject, so you will get the formula as sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Now tan 2x, this we can write as sin 2x upon cos 2x. We know the formula for sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, and cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, now divide this by cos square x. Okay, we need the formula in terms of tan, so we will divide it by cos square x, so you will get 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. The next formula is sin 2x. Okay, now this formula we are deriving in the terms of tan. Okay, so sin 2x we will write as 2 sin x cos x upon 1. In place of 1 we will write sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, now again divide by cos square x. Okay, so what you will get, 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, right? Now we'll derive the formula for cos 2x again in the terms of tan x. Okay, so again we know the formula for cos 2x, that is cos square x minus sin square x. In denominator we are writing 1. In place of 1, write down cos square x plus sin square x. Again divide it by cos square x. Okay, so you will get 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So these two are the formula of sin 2x and cos 2x in the terms of tan x. Okay, also we can derive the formula of tan 2x using a different method. Okay, in place of 2x we can write x plus x and we can apply tan alpha plus beta formula. Okay, so we know that tan alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. In place of alpha beta write down x. Okay, and on simplification we get answer as 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this tan 2x formula you can derive in any of the method. Okay, now we'll derive the formula for sine 3x. So sine this 3x we will write down as 2x plus x. Okay, and we'll apply the formula of sine alpha plus beta, that is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Right, in place of alpha we have to write 2x and in place of beta write down x. So you will get this result. Now we know formula for sine 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x, and cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Multiply cos x inside sin x, inside simplify. Okay, now we want final answer in the terms of sine. So in place of cos square x we will write down 1 minus sin square x. Again multiply this inside and simplify, so you will get the formula for sine 3x as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, now we'll derive the formula for cos 3x. So 3x we can write as again 2x plus x. Okay, and we know the formula of cos alpha plus beta, that is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, now again in place of alpha write down 2x, in place of beta write down x. So you will get this result. Again write down these two formulas, simplify, and at last in place of sine square we are writing 1 minus cos because we want final answer in the terms of cos. Simplify, so you will get the answer of cos 3x as 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, the next formula is tan 3x. So we can again write as tan 2x plus x. Again write down the formula of tan alpha plus beta, that is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, also we know the formula of tan 2x, that is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, again here also write down, take LCM, simplify, so you will get the answer of tan 3x as 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Next, cot 2x. Okay, so this is cos 2x upon sin 2x. Cos 2x we can write as cos square x minus sin square x, and here 2 sin x cos x. Now we want answer in the terms of cot. Okay, so here we will divide by sin square x. Okay, so you will get cos square upon sin square, that is cot square, minus 1 upon 2 cot x. Next, cot 3x formula. So cot again 3x we have to write as 2x plus x, and we'll apply the formula for cot alpha plus beta. So cot alpha cot beta minus 1 upon cot beta plus cot alpha. Okay, again here alpha is 2x and beta is x. Substitute over here. Okay, again in place of cot 2x we'll write cot square x minus 1 upon 2 cot x. Simplify, so you will get the answer of cot 3x as 3 cot x minus cot cube x upon 1 minus 3 cot square x. Okay, next let's solve few example. So here we have to find the value of tan 15 degree. So this tan 15 we can write as 45 minus 30. Okay, again we'll use the formula of tan alpha minus beta. Okay, so we know that tan alpha minus beta is tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, so here alpha is 45 and beta is 30, so you will get tan 45 minus tan 30 upon 1 minus tan 45 and tan 30. Now we know the value of tan 45 is 1, okay, and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Okay, substitute over here, so you will get 1 minus 1 upon root 3, 1 minus again tan 45 is 1, so 1 upon root 3. Here we have plus. Okay, simplify this, so you will get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Alright, now let's solve next example. We have to find sine pi upon 16, cos pi upon 8, cos pi by 4 and cos pi upon 16. So we'll rearrange this. Sine pi by 16, cos pi by 16 here, cos pi by 8 and cos pi by 4. Okay. Now we'll multiply and divide by 2. And we'll apply the formula for 2 sine x cos x, that is sine 2x. Okay, so apply this formula over here, so you will get 1 by 2 here sine. Now here we have x, okay, so here we are getting 2x, so we have pi by 16, so we need to multiply by 2, so you will get pi by 8, right? So here we have sine pi by 8, cos pi by 8 will write together, and this cos pi by 4 over here. Okay, again we'll multiply and divide by 2, so we will get 1 upon 4, 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8, and here cos pi by 4. Now we know 2 sine x cos x means sine 2x, right? So from this we will get 1 upon 4 here sine pi by 4 cos pi by 4. Now we know the value of sine pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 as 1 by root 2. Okay, cos pi by 4 and sine pi by 4, 1 upon root 2. So substitute over here, so 1 upon 4 into 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 upon 2 here, so your final answer is 1 upon 8. Okay, now let's solve one more example. We have to prove that sine a upon 1 plus cos a is equal to tan a by 2. So left hand side is given, that is sine a upon 1 plus cos a. So we will use this formula of sine 2x, that is 2 sine x cos x. Okay, now here we have 2x, so we are writing x. Okay, so here we have a, so your answer will be 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. Again we know the formula of cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Okay, so the formula for 1 plus cos 2x will be 2 cos square x. Here we have 2x, okay, so here we are getting x, and so here we have a, so the formula will be 2 cos square a by 2. Okay, this 2 will get cancelled, 1 cos will get cancelled, so you will get tan a by 2. This is your RHS. Okay, next, if tan a plus b is given 3 and tan a minus b is given 2, okay, we need to find the value of tan 2a and tan 2b. So this 2a we can write as a plus b plus a minus b. If you will open the bracket, this b will get cancelled, right? Similarly, we can write this 2b as a plus b minus a minus b. If you will open this bracket, you will get answer 2b. Now we need to find the answer of tan 2a. Okay, so it will be tan a plus b plus a minus b. Okay, so this is, suppose this is your alpha and beta, so we'll apply the formula of alpha plus beta, so you will get tan alpha, that is tan a plus b plus tan a minus b upon 1 minus tan a plus b into tan a minus b. Okay, now substitute the value of tan a plus b and tan a minus b, so you will get here 3 plus 2 upon 1 minus 3 into 2. Okay, so this is 5. Okay, and here we have 1 minus 6, so 5 upon minus 5, so final answer is minus 1. Next we have to find tan 2b. So this will be tan a plus b minus a minus b. Okay, and now we will apply the formula of tan alpha minus beta. So you will get tan a plus b minus tan a minus b upon 1 plus tan A plus B into tan A minus B. Again substitute the value, so you will get 3 minus 2 upon 1 plus here multiply, so it will give you 6. So final answer is 1 upon 7. Alright. Now let's solve few more examples. Now here we have to solve sine 4x plus sine 2x. So we know this formula, s plus s is 2sc, s minus s is 2cs, c plus c is 2cc, and c minus c is minus 2ss. So we will use this formula to solve this example. So first we have sine 4x plus sine 2x, means s plus s is given. So we will use this formula. Answer is 2sc. So write down 2s means sine, write down the bracket, cos, bracket. Now in the first bracket we have to add this to angle and divide by 2. In the second, subtract and divide by 2. Simplify, so you will get 2 sine, here 4x plus 2x, so 6x upon 2, so you will get 3x, and here 4x minus 2x means 2x upon 2 means you will get x. Okay. Next one is cos 5x minus cos 3x. Now c minus c, so we will use this formula, that is minus 2ss. Okay, so minus 2ss means sine, sine. Okay, so in the first bracket add, so 5x plus 3x upon 2. In the second, subtract upon 2, right? Simplify, so minus 2, here we have 8x upon 2, so you will get sine 4x, and here sine 5x minus 3x means 2x upon 2, so you will get x. Okay, now next example. Here it is given that 2 cos 4x sine 2x. Okay, so the formula is given in the reverse form. So we know that 2sc is what? S plus s, right? 2cs is s minus s. 2cc c plus c, and minus 2ss is c minus c. Or we can write this formula as 2ss as minus c plus c. Okay, so we will use this formula to find the answer of this. So we have 2 cos 4x sine 2x, right? So we have this 2cs format, so we'll use this formula, that is s minus s. So s minus s. Okay, now we need to just add and subtract, no need to divide by 2. Okay, just add and subtract, so your final answer is sine 6x minus sine 2x. Okay, next one, cos 5x cos 3x. Okay, now here CC is given, 2 is missing, so we'll multiply and divide by 2. So now we have 2cc, so we will use this formula, that is c plus c. So 1 by 2 as it is. Okay, cos plus cos. Add, so here 5x plus 3x, subtract, so 5x minus 3x. Okay, simplify, so you will get answer as 1 by 2 cos 8x plus cos 2x. Okay, so I hope you have understood throughout the session. Thank you for watching.